Now the Intex Excursion could hold 1,000 pounds with an engine and 5 people, a battery, and extras. Maximum of 5 people. It comes with 2 seats and 1 bucket seat, but since I'm all by myself, I only blew up one of the seats. You take 1 seat out, there is a lot of room. Alright, let's launch. Taking my stuff out of the car, I have a mini Coda electric engine, 2 oars for safety, 1 PFD floatable life jacket, required by the state and very useful, my tackle box and an anchor, the battery to power the engine, a knife and bucket, my lunch, and my fishing rod. So I put my tackle box there. I split my oars in half and put them there. Only the yellow one it can fit without being split in half. These are extra seats. This is where I keep my pump and the measuring device that came with the boat. Extra patch that came with the boat. Okay, I'm going to take my rag, and I need this to help deflate the boat so it keeps the valve open while I squeeze all the air out. My bucket there, but I don't know if it'll stay. The biggest problem I had was trying to figure out where the fishing poles would go, and so I put these bungee cords up there. So I've got my boat battery, my engine mount, my 2 fishing rods, and 2 boat seats and a bucket seat, air pump, and an anchor. That's what's in my trunk. What's in your trunk? Aqua Drifter here. Thank you all for watching my YouTube video on how I get my boat.